Hello everyone, good morning. This week we are doing easy drawing with some shapes. And for that I'm using wavy line in the center of your sheet. And then I will draw a bigger circle. We are making a fish. So for fish, we are using a circle shape, and for lips, we are using oval shapes. And then I will draw a curved line for the face and a circle for eye. Inside the circle I will draw two curved lines, and then I will draw some semicircles to show the scales on the fish. For scales I have drawn rows of semicircle, then one more row. Just like that we will fill the whole circle with these scales, with these semicircles. And after this we will draw one bigger semicircle for tail. At the end of the circle, on the right side, I will draw a semicircle and one curved line to join the two lines to make a tail, and two triangles for fins. Then we will draw more things to this scene. One land area, two curved lines at the bottom of the sheet to show the land area, and some wavy lines again for the water. You can draw many more fish or any other design for the fish, like you can use any other shape for the fish. And again I am using circle for sun on the background. You can draw anything. If you want to draw mountains, you can draw mountains. If you want to draw trees, you can draw trees. Now I'm drawing a butterfly with circle shape. Just small circle for the head, oval for the body, and two big circles for the wing, and two tentacles, small eyes, and a smile. And then I will decorate the wings of butterfly with more circles. So if you want to make other shape, if you want to change the shape, you can change the shape. Or if you want to add other things of different shapes, you can add, like I will add one flower here in the bottom. And to draw the flower I'm using this simple technique. Just I drawn a circle, then I turn the circle into sun, and then sun into a flower with curved shape. I will draw more flowers with other techniques also, like draw a circle in the center, then some U shapes for the petals, and then we will draw some leaves with semicircles. So you can add more leaves and more flowers to this painting. After completing it, we will use different colors. Not the medium will be oil pastel, but we will use primary color, secondary color, means different shades of color will make this painting colorful. And I'm adding one more thing, clouds to the sky. So these are very easy. You can add birds also. Now I will use different colors, like for sun I'm using yellow color, for clouds I'm using blue color. Just coloring, for coloring there is a technique, just outline the shape and fill the color inside the outline. and slowly you have to color the picture. And I'm using purple and pink color to the butterfly. Just like that, you have to paint the whole picture. You can change the color, you can use your imagination, use your creativity. For sky, you can use light blue because I have used dark blue for the clouds. And now I will color the fish, and I'm using yellow color for the mouth, and I will use different colors for the scales. Like I'm making this fish colorful, so I used red color, then I will use green color and other colors also. So it's your choice. Coloring is totally up to you, but technique will be the same. Just outline the shape and fill the color, and you should color the picture in only one direction, and with a little pressure you have to color. Give a little pressure to the color, and you can use different shades of blue for the water, and you can do colorful flowers. In flowers also I am using the same technique, outlining and then filling the color inside the outline. And then I am using blue color, ultramarine blue, and I am using it in waves. Then I will use, after this ultramarine, I will use light blue color and I will fill the whole water with the same technique. Just like that, you have to fill the whole picture. You must try this. Thank you.